hope you're doing well. And today I'm going to be making apple turnover. So yeah, let's get on with the video. Cut and peel 4 large apples. Add 4 cups water into a large bowl. Add 1 splash of lemon juice. Add the apple slices. While the apples are sitting, let's make the dough. In a separate bowl, add 1/4 cup flour. Add 1/2 teaspoon salt. Add 1 tablespoon granulated sugar. Add 1/2 cup soft butter. Mix it all with your hands. Add 1/4 cup water little by little at a time. Wrap the ball in plastic wrap and put into the fridge. Put 2 tablespoons of butter on a pan and let it melt on medium heat. Drain the apple mixture in a colander. Pour the apple mixture onto the buttered pan. Stir for about 2 minutes. Add 1 cup brown sugar. Add 1 teaspoon cinnamon. Add 1 tablespoon cornstarch and then mix until well incorporated. Then let it sit. Take the dough out of the fridge and form the dough into 5 equal balls. Roll out the balls with a rolling pin. Preheat oven to 400. When they are all rolled out, they should look something like this. Trim the edges so they are circular shaped. Put the apple mixture in the middle of the flattened dough. Fold in half and repeat. When the apples are inside, fold in half and make dents on the edges with forks. Sprinkle powdered sugar over the turnovers. Bake in the oven for 20 minutes. Time for short facts about llamas. Did you know that during the last ice age, camels were extinct in North America? Now there are around 160,000 llamas and 100,000 alpacas in Canada and the United States. Now let's get back to the video. When they come out of the oven, they should look something like this.
Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell if you want to get notified each time I post a video. Have a great day and a great week. Bye!